Tough loss. I felt like we were in control of the game for the most part. I think offensively we got a little bit stagnant, and defensively we let some of their main players get to the spots they wanted to get to, and they made shots when we didn't.
Atrodo, kad ilgą rungtynių dalį Maiką Džeimsą pavyko sustabdyti, bet ketvirtajame kėlinyje jis įsisiautė. Galima sakyti, jog tai buvo vienas pagrindinių faktorių, kuris būtent nuvedė jūs į pratęsimą.
There's a reason he's the best player in EuroLeague history, so you kind of have to expect that from him, and I think we did the best we could against him, but I think it's other things that were the reason we lost.
Kaip minėjai, keturi kėliniai buvo pakankamai solidus, kodėl nepavyko to pernešti į pratęsimą?
I think there was some confusion on the court. We kind of rushed some things, and the decision making wasn't great towards the end.
Ne vieną momentą buvote pabėgę ir daugiau, dviženklę taškų persvarą, kaip galvoju, kodėl nepavykdavo vis perlaužti rungtynių.
Yeah, like I said, I just think some decision making, and then made some mistakes down the line where I feel like we, just could have been a little bit more solid.
Ne pirmą kartą žaidži su Monako komanda, tiek išvykose, tiek namuose, ir visada tos rungtynės būna labai intensyvės ir iki paskutinių sekundžių. Kaip tu galvoji, kokios priežastys dėl tokių rungtynių iki pat galo su Monako būtent komanda?
I think matchups played a big role into it, and we definitely came out ready to play against them. We got the first win of the season against them, and we knew that they were going to bring their best effort. So it was definitely a tough game. I just think both teams competed really hard.
Ar girdėjai šiandien Žalgirio fanus, kurių labai nemažai buvo?
They were great. They were extremely supportive. I think they were louder than even their home crowd. So I wish we could have got the win for them.